Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your Mac so the emulator runs smoothly. First, confirm your Mac OS supports virtualization and enable it if applicable. This prevents sluggish performance. Next, download a trusted Android emulator like BlueStacks or Android Studio. Pick the stable build for Apple Silicon or Intel accordingly. Once installed, open the emulator and configure resources. Assign multiple CPU cores, 4 GB or more RAM, and at least 10 GB disk. Doing that now ensures apps from Google Play run reliably. Once the emulator is configured, launch it and open the Google Play Store app inside the virtual Android device. You will sign in with your Google account, enter credentials and accept terms, and make sure sync is on so apps and settings follow you. After signing in, go into Play Store settings to pick Auto Update Preferences, manage app permissions, and set the download's location. This optimizes storage and privacy. If updates require a restart of the emulator, do that before installing heavy apps. You finish by installing and testing apps from Google Play, launch them and verify responsiveness, keyboard mapping, and file access. If an app crashes or is slow, increase the emulator RAM, enable hardware virtualization, or try changing the ABI between x86 and ARM translation. This often resolves compatibility. Once done, make sure Play Store updates are applied. If problems persist, clear the Play Store cache, sign out and back in, or reinstall the emulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.